Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I will do unboxing for smart LED bulb. This is from ELEAD Smart Wi-Fi LED bulb, and it's have a 16 million color. It's red, green, blue, RGB plus cool white. So as you can see here, the description: ELEAD Smart Wi-Fi LED Colorful Bulb. It's a pack of 2. Here this is a QR code for Smart Life app. Using that app you can control the functions of this bulb. And these bulbs work with Alexa, Google Assistant, IFTTT and mobile phone. So you can see here, here's the socket is E27 and finish color is silver. LED colors RGB plus cool white. Let's open it. So first thing you found, it's a user manual. Here same, this scan this QR code to get a Smart Life app. So there is some steps available how to register your account in Smart Life, then add a device, and there is rename the add smart LED bulb. Here you can enable Smart Life skills in Amazon Alexa app. This is a step how you can do this, and control the smart LED bulb by voice. You can control this bulb by voice also, plus you can control the device by VOI voice. You can link these smart light bulbs to Google Home. All the procedures are mentioned in this user manual. Okay, let's go for the other things. Let's open, and here I have a set of 2 bulbs. See, ELEAD. Just a second. The functionality of these bulbs. For the functionality of this bulb, I will show you in the my next video. Until that, Allah Hafiz.